In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have commenced the chapter that is known as neurolinguistics. Neurolinguistics is the study of the relationship between brain and language. Today, I am going to teach you lateralization. What is lateralization? What is the example of lateralization? And further explanation as well. Listeners and audience, lateralization refers to an idea that there are certain parts of the human brain which are specialized for various and different tasks, particularly right hemisphere and left hemisphere. Such kind of idea is known as lateralization. For example, there are various tasks which have been handled by right hemisphere, and there are various tasks which are handled by left hemisphere. Let's come to first of all left hemisphere. Listeners and audience, left hemisphere handles and specializes for the tasks such as reading, writing, listening and speaking. It means that this part of the brain is specifically responsible for language. And in left hemisphere, there are two particular areas known as Broca area and Wernicke area. Broca area that is responsible for language production, and Wernicke area that is responsible for language comprehension. Remember that when we are talking about a right hemisphere, it is specialized for spatial recognition, spatial processing, such as face recognition, emotional controls, art, music, and other creative activities. Whenever we are talking about left hemisphere is also specialized for body control. It means for the left hemisphere, when we are talking about left hemisphere is responsible to control the right side of the body, and right hemisphere controls the left side of the body. There are other various functions as well, but here I only talk about the most important functions of this. So this process and this idea is known as lateralization. Hope that this topic is clear to you. Thank you.